and that's why we're expecting more of those strong winds as I would say the primary threat for the entirety of our viewing area. Now, the winds early tomorrow morning are still manageable. Breezy, we'll have the rough rainfall at times, but still at the last possible moment you needed to go out and do something, you do have the morning hours. But by midday and through Wednesday night, and I'm going till after midnight tomorrow night, we're looking at those winds picking up 50 to 60 mile an hour sustains. Obviously, there is a range depending upon what part of our viewing area and how close to the center of the storm you are, but winds gusting 70 to 80 miles an hour. And some of the models, we'll see what the trend is, have also been indicating the potential of hurricane force wind gusts, not sustained, but wind gusts even in the metro area. So what you still can do tonight and early tomorrow is secure all of those loose items. I'm hoping everyone has brought in whatever Halloween decorations they started to put out, trash cans, anything outside, start bringing that in. Storm surge, that really is started already and will continue to increase throughout the day. Rough idea, we're looking at the lakes south of the Mississippi coast of the Mississippi Sound at around 3 to 5 feet. Most of our southern and kind of that eastern facing shore along Plaquemines, Biloxi Marsh and St. Bernard about 4 to 7, and then areas around Terrebonne Bay and west 5 to 10. Those are the highest totals. Again, this is kind of the worst case scenario being established with these numbers. What you need to do, you need to get to higher ground. That's really no other way to avoid the incoming water level. And as far as heavy rain goes, it'll be with us most of the day tomorrow, probably beginning in the morning, maybe before daybreak and throughout the latter part of the night. Overall, we might see 4 to 6 inches, isolated 6 to 8. And within the band of where the storm makes landfall and continues inland, we could see 7 to even 10 or 12 inches of rainfall. That, again, is kind of the worst case scenario. So what you would need to do tomorrow, avoid any of those flooded roads. That's why tomorrow you don't want to be out and about. And with the rain and kind of the flooding that we are expecting, it's going to take some time for all of that to clear out. So even Thursday morning, kind of avoid being on the roads, give officials time to go out and inspect everything, and then start sounding that all clear before you start returning to specific areas.